Dear friends, today is my fifth class on differential equation. You may see my previous classes in the playlist of differential equation in my channel. Today is fifth class and today we will learn about exact differential equation. Exact differential equation, how to test a equation is exact or not, and how to find solution of an exact differential equation. Let us consider a differential equation x dy plus y dx is equal to 0. X dy plus y dx is equal to 0. The left side of the equation can be written as derivative of xy. The left side of the equation is a complete differential. This can be expressed as derivative of xy is equal to 0. This type of equation is known as exact differential equation. For another example, if an equation is of the form y dx minus x dy by y square is equal to 0, then the left side of the equation can be expressed as a complete differential. That means derivative of a function. The left side of this equation is written as derivative of x by y is equal to 0. This type of equation is known as exact differential equation. How you get the solution of first equation? Integrating both the sides, we get xy is equal to c. This is the solution of this equation. What is the solution of second equation? Integrating both the sides, we get x by y is equal to c. This is the solution of second equation. These are simple equations. What is the definition of an exact differential equation? An equation m xy dx plus n xy dy is equal to 0 is an exact differential equation if left side of this equation is expressed as derivative of some function, or left side of this equation is expressed as derivative of another function. If there exists a function fxy such that derivative of fxy is equal to mxy plus dx plus nxy dy, then this is an exact differential equation. If left side of this equation, this is left side of this equation, is expressed as derivative of some function, then this is an exact differential equation. How you test a equation is exact or not? This is a differential equation. How we test first? This is exact differential equation or not? If this is an exact differential equation, then we get a formula for getting its solution. A equation mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0 is an exact differential equation if partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x. If this condition satisfied by this equation, then this is an exact differential equation. Partial derivative of m with respect to y. M is function of two variables. We take its derivative with respect to y. Here x is treated as constant. We take partial derivative of n with respect to x. n is function of two variable x and y. We take only derivative with respect to x, y is treated as constant. If these two are equal, then the left side must be expressed as function of derivative of some function. This is an exact differential equation. This is how you test a differential equation is exact or not. If a equation is exact and that means satisfies this equation, how you get its solution? The formula for getting solution of an differential equation is integration of mxy dx. Here y is treated as constant. Here y is treated as constant. In this integration, y is treated as constant, x is variable. Plus integration of nxy dy. Here we integrate those terms which does not contain x. Only integration done with respect to y of those terms which is independent of x, not containing x, is equal to c. This is the formula how we get solution of an exact differential equation. Let us consider an example. Let us consider a differential equation x plus y plus 1 dx plus x minus y square plus 3 dy is equal to 0. This is a first order and first degree differential equation. This cannot be solved by variable separable method. This is not a homogeneous equation which we learned before. Now we test this is an exact differential equation or not. If this is an exact differential equation, then we get solution by this formula. Here mxy dx, here mxy, m that is function of xy is equal to x plus y plus 1. nxy dy, here nxy is equal to x minus y square plus 3. Now we test this is an exact differential equation or not. Take partial derivative of m with respect to y. Partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to, here x is treated as constant, তাহলে partial derivative of x plus y plus 1 with respect to y. Since x is constant, the derivative of x with respect to y is 0. 1 is constant, derivative of 1 is also 0. Derivative of y with respect to y, that is 1. Partial derivative of n with respect to y. What is the value of n? X minus y square, x minus y square, partial derivative of n with respect to x. Sorry friends, I done a mistake. Partial derivative of n with respect to x. Partial derivative of x minus y square plus 3 with respect to x. We take partial derivative of this with respect to x. That means y is treated as constant. Y square is a constant term. 3 is constant. So only we take derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. The derivative of y square is 0 as y is constant. 3 is constant. Derivative of 3 is 0. only derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. So, partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x. As this is equal, so this is, and the given equation is an exact differential equation. Now we get solution. The formula I already told you before. So the required solution is, integration of mxy. Here what is the value of mxy? X plus y plus 1. Y as constant. We treat y here as constant. Plus integration of nxy. Those term we take which does not contain x. Here first term contain x. So we can take first term. Only we take those terms which is independent of x. Second and third term is independent of x. There is no x in second and third term. So we only take second term and third term is equal to c. Is equal to c. First term is not taken because first term contain x. Implies integration of x square by 2 plus integration of y dx, since y is constant is taken outside integration, only integration of dx is x, plus integration of dx is x, minus integration of y square y cube by 3 plus integration of 3 constant, integration of dy is y is equal to c. This is the required solution. So every exact differential equation can be solved by this formula. Thank you, friends.